What's up, guys? In this video, I will be trading E-mini DAO live. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. It did exactly what I wanted to do. Come down, tap in this zone right here. I just don't really enter until 9:30. All right. So I may have missed out on a better entry down here, but we breaking one of my key levels right here. So we're gonna see. All right, I'm gonna use my iPad to set up to the Discord this time because I don't want to be going back and forth. Let's play out. Go check something else real quick. All right, so yeah. So I'm looking to see if it's gonna come back and tap some more in that zone, or is it really ready to go ahead and buy? All right, that's a huge wick. All right, once again, we kind of in a uptrend at the same time. So we might let this 9:30 candle do its thing. Just wait for a clearer sense of direction, because right now that's a crazy candle. All right, that is a crazy candle. We gonna see. All right, 200 EMA. I like it, but it's literally showing. All right, like I said, this is what I was looking for it to do, is to come back down here up in this little area. All right, but we got one more candle, so we're gonna wait till 9:35 to see. Send this out to the Discord. I want to take a shot right here.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm gonna move my stop loss. Let's see. I'm gonna move it right up under this zone. All right. It's a risky trade, but hey. Like, see, I am down $675. Everything on my end told me to buy, so that's why I bought. Once again, this could just be a little stunt or a liquidity grab. Then to stop out some of these buyers and then push it back up. So my entry could have been better, or this could just literally be getting ready to drop. Not moving my stop loss. All right, already down like $800, but if it breaks through that zone, then yeah, I don't need to be in these buys. So that's pretty much how I'm going about that. All right, so I am in drawdown at the moment, but we're gonna see if we can get up out of that. Hopefully we get a bounce, but it's not looking too bright, but we're gonna see. I don't like that we closed under the 200, but I do like the type of candle that was printed. All right, so we'll see, man. And I sent it out to the Discord, so if they took it, they probably didn't draw down as well, or probably stepped out. Something in that nature. So I would say that's the cons of taking a setup is if it goes left. But the pros is, of course, you win as well. But when I lose and you take my setup, you lose too. So that's just part of the game. All right. I say never just hop full blown into a setup. You gotta analyze it yourself, whether you take signals from somebody, whether you take setups for somebody, whether you on live calls, like you have to analyze it yourself because I can afford to lose, all right? I can afford to take a loss. It just depends on if you can or not. So if you want to depend on yourself, there's nothing wrong with that. Just use signals and setups and live calls as a sense of direction or, some type of help, but don't just fully depend on it. Because like I said, me personally, I can afford it. I've been on a winning streak, guys. So I'm not tripping off this. So we trying to get back up. And if I do lose a trade, this is definitely on me. Like my entry is crazy. So as y'all can see, we are down 900. Not moving my stop loss no more because it is what it is. Like I'm already dipping into some of my profit for the week. But yeah, guys, so they see me take a loss today. All right. Come on, get up off of there. Super close. So you really just at this point, when it's like this, you can brace yourself for the loss. But
Stop field.
okay, but as you can see, I just took a loss. All right. That is a part of the game. In this case, what do you do? All right. I'm looking at this. I could hop in another trade. Or I'm gonna just take my loss because it's the end of the week for me. And I just want to still I'm literally still in profit for the week. So let's see. Do I want to take my loss like a man or do I want to get it back in blood? Which one? The only thing that I don't like is we literally had a gap to fill. Let's go to this 1 hour real quick. I was looking for price to literally come back up right here. But as you see, this 1 hour definitely just wicked out. So let me snap my loss to the Discord. Hold on real quick. Send this loss out. See, a lot of people don't want to send their loss out. But me, I say I'm good with that. Me, I am okay with that. But on the 1 hour, we bouncing off the 50. We already below the 200 on the 1 hour. But this is the gap right here that I was looking for the market to come fill. All right. I was gonna say I was looking for the market to come fill. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm not really too much feeling that movement because, like I say, my edges is showing buys, and the market is doing the opposite. And we had positive news today. All right, unemployment claims were lower, so I just don't see why this ended up dropping. But like I say, this could be just getting some of these buyers out the market. We got 2 minutes for another candle, and all right, yeah, it's showing bearish. So we're gonna take this sale.
Order filled.
All right, And we're gonna move this stop loss right above this zone right here. Let's see if we can get this drop. All right. So change my bias. I was looking for buys. And I'm gonna tell you another thing that'll suck is when you change your bias and then it still go the way that you thought it was gonna go. So we're gonna see how this gonna play out. All right. Too close right here. Let's just move it to right here. Right above the area. Now I will say sometimes your stop loss can be in the wrong spot and you can lose for no reason. So that's why it's important for you to know like type of candles and stuff like that. Supply and demand areas, because if you literally got your stop loss at a supply zone or a demand zone, you got a high chance of getting stopped out. All right, but it's crazy though. 16. Me, I'm a risk taker. So I don't mind, seeing if I get my bread back. But in a way that makes sense. All right. I'm not trying to, go crazy. It just is unfortunate. Like I said, you see, I hopped in a buy, lost, hopped in the sell, currently losing. It's just all about timing. All right. That's really what it's about. I just didn't expect to sell with positive news, And we had a gap to fill on the 1 hour. It was just really unfortunate. So NLP week, guys, you gotta know NLP week is unexpected. Like the moves are unexpected. Not really, literally, genuinely forgot it was NLP week. So I'm not trying to really risk too much. I'm really just trying to make that loss back. If it do go hit take profit right now, I will only be up $500 because it'll be a $1,500 win. So I'm cool with that. Like I said, I'm literally up for the week, so not tripping. I'm just digging in some of my profits right now, which is crazy. I'm gonna let this trade go. If it don't go, that's it. All right. You don't want to keep hopping in the market if the market not acting all the way correct. That's just that. But I really want to pop another one so I can be up. I just don't know. I'm not feeling this movement. We got 1 more minute before a 5-minute candle. I'm gonna go down in contract size. I'm gonna go down to a 2. Let's see. Let me see. This 5-minute candle looking like. So I don't want to just do nothing crazy. Everybody lose, y'all. I swear y'all need to know that. Not let these Instagram gurus, shit like that, make you think that they are winning every single trade. It's not possible to win every single trade. I know how to deal with these losses. Only thing I'm looking at right now is we are below the 50, below the 200. But the way that it broke this zone is not like a clean break. It's just like a liquidity grab. Like it came down to, like I say, stop some of these buyers out. That's how I was feeling the whole time. I don't send out 2 setups a day. Honestly, like 1 setup. If that don't go, then that's it. I'm literally about to just close this trade, bro. It's so weird. Other thing I do like about futures though, once you get past the buffer, if you don't know the buffer is basically like your drawdown on the front of the account. Once you get past your buffer, your drawdown stops. So if I'm up 7K, then my drawdown is 7K. You gotta just know how to risk that 7K daily on your own because they not finna, put a lock on how much you can lose a day no more. All right. So now it becomes a mental thing, like it's on you now. Can you manage your profits or not? So that's what I like about it. You don't gotta worry about, damn, I'm up 7K, but if I hit a drawdown, I lose my account like in Forex. You can be up in Forex on a Forex funded account and they still have that daily, drawdown. You can hit them and not get a payout. But in futures, the drawdown goes away. All right. You just can't go back to the starting balance, which is whatever you account size you got after you pass that buffer. So I like that. All right. I like that. I like that. So that's how I'm able to lose more. All right. And be cool because I'm past a certain amount to where I don't have a daily drawdown no more. It's all about, like I say, it's all about your risk. So we're gonna pop this smaller cell right
Order
here.
filled.
All right, and like I say, I'm moving this stop loss here too, because this is gonna be a tight trade, just in case if it goes against me. All right, let's see, y'all. We can get our bread back. The second entry, so we got 5 contracts in total. All right, once this get down here, I am stepping out. I just had to be a little bit more risky on this just to get back in profit. But I just say I went down in the contract, I didn't go up. This is a prime example of you never know what the market's gonna do. You just don't know. But we still gotta get down there. How crazy NLP week is, y'all. That was super wild. Super wild right there. Out of our control. But it's either you gonna stand in that kitchen and cook up, or it's gonna get too hot for you and you're gonna step out. You feel me? I'm standing in the kitchen, I'm in the paint with it, I'm in the kitchen with it. I'm just letting it do what it do. Like momentum is just so weird today. Not gonna lie. And I already feel like I'm doing too much. Need to break past that last candle. All right. As of now, we are okay. Every time we hit 1,000, we're at break even. But I can't just get out the trade right there because as you see, it keep wicking back up. So we need to be past that. I'm not finna force the market to do anything. Come on. All right. Keep bouncing around this little area, this little zone right here. But there we go. Okay. 17.
Order filled.
18. All right, so look at this. Let's go. Down to second take profit right there. We're gonna close that
Order filled.
like that. Like that. That's how you get it back in blood, bro. Change your bias. You don't want to marry a trade. All right. You don't want to be stuck in what you think. You got to go off what you see in the market. All right. Of course, I wanted buys to go fill this 1 hour gap. All right. But as you can see, the 1 hour is showing sales. All right. It could be targeting this next low right here. We wicked off right here. I wanted to come close that. It didn't do that. All right. So that resulted in me to taking an L on the first setup. This second setup, as you can see, literally gave us what we needed. Gave us what we needed. All right. So that's that, man. We ended the day off in profit. That's what I wanted. That's what I needed. All right. The end of the week out strong. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because this was a long day. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Other than that,